Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python course. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use commands in Python. Today, we are going to uh, learn one of the most important topic in programming. Variables are used in almost every Python program. They allow us to store information and use it later in our code. Without variable writing programs would be very difficult. Wherever programmer uses variable every day. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to create variable, give them name, and display their values. Let's get started. What are variables? Our variables is a container that stores data. You can think of a variable like a box. You put information inside the box, and later you can use it whenever you need it. Uh, age variable can store age name, age number, age city, age country, age message. Variables make our program flexible and easier to manage. Why do we use variables? We use variables to store information, reuse data, and make programs easier to read. Avoid writing the same value many times. With large programs, variables are one of the most important concepts in programming. And the code explanation. Code this and the name Fatih. This name explanation describes a variable called name. The value of Fatih is stored inside the variable. Keywords variable asynchronous operator. The asynchronous operator this and the identity for purpose stores a value of ledger views and the city Ankara and the city Ankara. This is creates a variable named city. Keyword variable value purpose stores the city name and the country Turkey. This country Turkey stores the country name inside the variable. Keywords variable value purpose keeps a country information and the print name. This is print name prints the value stored inside the name variable. Keyword print variable purpose displays the stored value and the message. Welcome to this is message. Welcome to Python. Python creates a variable created message. Keyword variable assignment purpose story a welcome message and the print message. This is print message 3 print message. This display the value stored inside the variable. Keywords this variable output purpose shows the stored information and the language Python. This is Python creates a variable named language and stores the current programming language in the language Java. In this Java, in this yes, Java updates the value of the variable. The old value is replaced with the new one. Keywords update reusing variable and change the storage value. This first name and last name. This creates two different variable. Each variable stores different information, keywords, variable, multiply variables, and the story multiply pieces of information separately, and the keywords variable definition, age, name, container, day story information, and the purpose to save data for later use. Assignment operator, this is assignment operator this, and this assignments will value to variable, and this stores information inside a variable. Identifier, the name of a variable has Python identity story data. Value definition, the information stored inside variable, and the purpose represents the actual data, and the program output, this is run. Yes. And the output explanation, example 1, listen 3 variables. Example 1, creating variable Fatih, Ankara, and Turkey. Example 2, this is the resume variable. Welcome to Python. This total 3 Python. Example 3, updating variables Java. And the example for multiple variables Fatih, Yayleci, and surname, name and surname. And of lesson 3, next lesson data types. And the program first prints the lesson, then it creates several variables. The value story inside the variable are displayed using the print. This is print, and this and the print function. Next one variable is updated from Python to Java, showing that variable can change the program execution. And the final two different variables are created to store our first name and last name. And thank you for watching lesson 3. Today we learned what variables are, why they are important, and how to create, use and update them. In the next lesson we will learn about data types and discover the different kinds of data that Python can store. And see you in the text lesson, and happy coding. Have a nice day.